Prime Minister Narendra Modi is going to Gorakhpur tomorrow. Security arrangements have been tightened in view of the Prime Minister's visit. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will lay the foundation stone of a new AIIMS in Gorakhpur and start the renovation work of a fertilizer factory which was closed for the last 3 decades. In addition, the Prime Minister will address a rally there.
Gorakhpur is going to get a new fertilizer factory. This new revived fertilizer factory, when operational in 5 years' time, would meet the growing demand of urea in Uttar Pradesh as well as several other states. Its capacity would be 4 times more than the earlier defunct fertilizer factory. While for building this factory, land requirement would be less, the unit would reopen with sophisticated machines run on gas fuel to produce up to 3,850 tons urea per day, against its earlier capacity of around 950 tons. The unit is being revived at a cost of 6,000 crore rupees through a special purpose vehicle formed by NTPC, Coal India, Indian Oil and Fertilizer Corporation of India. With the revival of this defunct fertilizer unit taking place, local youth are enthused with the prospect of better employment opportunities. And the farmers seem to be welcoming this for getting urea at reasonable rates. For the people of Gorakhpur, Friday would be a red letter day as their dream of AIIMS will be realized in the near future. PM is going to lay the foundation stone of a new AIIMS which will help the local rural folk get state-of-the-art health facilities at no extra cost. Gorakhpur is also the place which bears the brunt of Japanese encephalitis, with several children suffering from this disease. And in this context, setting up an AIIMS in Gorakhpur would cater to the residents of eastern UP as well as neighboring Bihar and Nepal.
एम्स से यहाँ की आवश्यकता थी और 7 करोड़ की आबादी के बीच में पहली बार कोई केंद्रीय चिकित्सा संस्थान एम्स जैसा संस्थान यहाँ पर बनने जा रहा है और उसका शिलान्यास माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी करेंगे तो मैं इसको यहाँ का भाग्योदय ही मानूंगा.
Apart from this, Prime Minister would address a public rally, and PM's itinerary includes an address with the saints of Goraksh Peeth Dham as well. With Ashutosh Shukla, Neeraj Singh's report, DD News, Gorakhpur.